So it's time to announce the winners of the Sweet Pea Currant tomato seed giveaway, and you'll also get some extras too. So here are the winners. Congratulations to all of you. And I just want to give you a quick reminder that these seeds are very, very tiny. So when you open up the little envelope, just be careful because there's only 10 seeds per pack. And they're very easy to save because Sweet Pea Currant tomato seeds, to my understanding, will not cross-pollinate with other tomato seeds unless you're growing another currant tomato, and not many people grow currant tomatoes. So just send me over your mailing address to rainbowgardens@charter.net, and I'll get those right out to you. If you can include in the heading of the email tomato seed giveaway, that'll make it a little easier on my end to keep it organized because I have about 2 more big giveaways coming up soon. And there you go. Congratulations again, and y'all have a beautiful day.